Hello guys, how are you? I'm back here and it's a new strategy. I'm so happy to be here today. Uh, Today I will teach you a scalp 1 minute strategy. It's so easy and so simple, but it should be practiced and get back test. Let's go. Before I start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for your support. Change the time frame to 1 minute. Change the candles to Heikinashi, like this. And go to indicator. Type Renko bar value on subchart. Developed by Pattern Smart. Add to chart. And go to indicators again and type EMA. Find moving average exponential. Add to here. Change the input of moving average from 9 to 50. Change the color to white and increase opacity and thickness. And okay, the setup is complete. Okay, how the strategy works. First, we should see this Renko chart and find the first red or first green candle here. Okay, for example, we find first red Renko candle here, and we should check the Heikinashi candle on chart. Okay, if this is the first red Renko and the Heikinashi is red and the close of Heikinashi is below this white moving average, we can open a short position here and the stop loss above the highest high of the last three candles here, and risk to reward ratio set to 1.5. Okay, here the target is take, and this is the first green Renko. Check the candle is green and the close of Heikinashi is above the white line. We can open a long position, stop loss below the lowest low of 3 Heikinashi candles, and risk to reward ratio 1.5 here. The profit is taken. Again, first red or first green candle. This is the first red Renko, but the candle is green and it's above this white. We can wait one candle if the candle is red and blue. We can open a short position, but this is green candle, so wait for another signal. This is the first green Renko. The candle is green and above the EMA. We can open a long position here. Stop loss here. Risk to reward 1.5 or 2 here. Again, this is the first red, but the candle is green. Wait one candle. This is the candle is green again, so we couldn't open short position. This is first green. Here the candle is green and above the white line, open a long position here. Stop loss below the lowest low of last three candle, 1.5 or 1.6 or 2 here. It's so simple. Get back test here on the live. Here, this is the first red wrinkle, but the close is not below the white line. We can wait one candle. This is one. This is red. Close is below, and we can open a short position here. Stop loss above the highest high of last three candles, 1.5 risk to reward ratio sets, and here. Okay, thank you for your like, your subscribe, and notification bell. See you soon. Goodbye.